All right, it is low battery. Gotta talk fast. Wednesday, May 29th, 2024. Got the last 3 allegorical sea monsters to complete here, and Under the Wing 79. And then I will work on the framing. All right. Using the colored pencils here. Well, I may go over some of the linear sections with black ink or dark brown ink or maybe blue ink, something or other, we'll see. We should just do those things spontaneously. I got a red tongue to do there. All right, to be continued, stay tuned. Nearing completion, yeah. I'm gonna do the small one here, that one there. I may or may not put a small sea monster up there, we'll see. Might just leave it as is. Okay, to be continued. Budgies, how are we doing over there? People having dinner? Sleep time soon. It's kind of autumn weather out there. It's chilly. They sense it. Seattle, May 29th, and it's cold outside. Well, beats tornadoes in Kansas and the heat in Texas. All right.